Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I am filming from my garage on my workbench right here, and it is raining outside, so you might hear some rain going on, but I thought, hey, let's go out here and do a drawing show. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an easy, cheesy fish. I love drawing fish. So first of all, what I want you to do is kind of just draw a curve line just like that, okay? And then you're going to draw kind of a straighter line that comes down here, all right? And then kind of curve it just a little bit and then bring it all the way back here, okay? Then you're going to make this is the upper part of the mouth, and now you're going to draw the lower part. So I bring my line out right here, okay? Now you're going to draw the jaw coming down and right in here. This is the gill of the fish. And for this fish, we're going to draw a big tummy. So the tummy kind of comes down like that, and then we're going to bring a line over here, curve it just like that, and now connect your line from here all the way to there, okay? So you just bring that right over here. Okay, now you got the basic form of the fish with a big belly, and we're going to draw the eye right now. I like to draw big cartoon eyes. Put a pupil right in there, just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the back of the tail. Hello, Kitty. Kitty even follows me out here to want to do a drawing show. I think one day that cat is going to start drawing and have its own show. Now this fin on the back, you can get creative with it, but right now we're just going to just make a basic tail just like that. Okay? All right, for the top I want to draw some fins, and all you have to do is, for what I like to do is I just draw some curved lines like this, okay? Just a couple curved lines going all the way down. And now I'm going to make kind of another curved line from here to there. And do another one here, here, another one there, and there, okay? All right, now we want to draw a fin right here. So I'm going to kind of just draw a little curve and come right back in there. And I might even draw a little curved line like that. So the more pictures you look of fish, the easier it gets. Every fish is different, but they have some really cool characteristics to it. So take a look at books on fish, and you'll see all the different types of fins that they have. I'm going to draw a fin down in here. So right now what I want to do is draw a couple of lines coming in here, just to kind of define the fin on this fish here. Lucas just came in and told me it's time to eat, so I'm going to try to hurry this up here. I think the kitty is getting a little hungry too. All right. Okay, now if you want to, you can always put teeth on your fish. You don't have to. It's just like a couple triangles right here. Totally up to you. And here's a fin right here, and I'm just going to put in some lines just to kind of define it. And that's pretty much it. That's an easy, cheesy way to draw a fish. And you can draw some waves up here if you want to. Just like that. You can probably hear that rain in the background. It's so relaxing to listen to rain. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you enjoyed the show out here in the garage and listening to the rain. And I hope you're out there being creative and drawing yourself. Make sure you subscribe and have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.